Hi, so today I'm doing the participation video requirement for the body composition lab. So it says here briefly lists the equipment necessary to complete the test. So you need the electric scale, the stadiometer, the skinfold caliper, tape measurer, the Omron BIA machine, and a meter stick. So we have a couple different tests. We have the skinfold test, we have the BIA test, we have the girth test, and the BMI test. So for the skinfold test, basically all you need is a skin caliper and you need a person. Super easy to do. A benefit from it is that all you need is the actual person and of course the skin caliper. Now there are 7 sites in which you actually measure the skin folds. Um, these being the chest, the mid-axillary, the subscapular, suprailiac, the triceps, the abdominal, and the thigh. So basically, you're gonna take your forefinger and your thumb. You're kind of loosening up that area, and then you're gonna take that skin fold test. Make sure that you record to the closest 0.1 millimeter after the caliper is released. And you only need to do this 2 times. Now, it is important to do it on only one side of the body. So if you're doing the right side, just stick to the right side. If you're doing the left side, stick to the left side. A third measurement is necessary only if the initial 2 measurements are not within 3 millimeters of each other. So that being said, for men, the chest measurement area is taken at a diagonal area between the chest and the nipple. So there, and then for the women, you take it basically the armpit area right there. The mid-axillary measurement is taken kind of a diagonal angle above the iliac angle, so around this area right here, pinch. The subscapular measurement is taken at a diagonal pinch directly beneath the shoulder blade. So if I were to turn around here, and then the shoulder blade kind of pinch right there. For the suprailiac measurement, it's performed above the belly button, kind of the love handle area, so love handles right there. Tricep measurement, taken vertical pinch halfway between the shoulder and the elbow. So you have the tricep, and then you pinch right there. Make sure it's bent so it's easier to do. The abdominal measurement is performed at a vertical pinch 1 inch from the belly button, so right around here, belly button is right here. The thigh measurement is taken between the knee and the top of the thigh. So loosen up that thigh area, and then you take a pinch right there. So that's the skin fold test. The BIA is super easy to perform. That's one of the benefits of it. All you need is the machine. Now, assuming this is the BIA machine, all you need to do is input the height, age, weight, and gender of the subject. From there, the subject has the BIA machine out at arm's length and at chest level. Then it will be able to tell you all the information you need. For the girth measurement, it's super easy to do. All you need is a tape measure. That's one of the benefits from it. Assuming this is a tape measure, because I don't have one. For men, there are 2 measurements. For the females, there are 3 measurements. So this looks kind of weird, but you take the measuring tape around the neck, below the larynx, and you measure right there. And you also take the mid-abdominal section, and you measure that. And for the female, you take, once again, the neck measurement below the larynx right there. Then you need to take the sort of pelvis area. Now this also involves like taking your whole pelvis, so that includes the butt. So just like get the butt, measure it right there. And then you also need to do the thinnest kind of like line of your midsection, measure that. And you also have the BMI. The BMI is super easy to do. All you need to do is calculate the height and the weight. So that's probably the easiest, as long as you have your height and weight. And yeah, that's the lab video. Thank you.